How are you guys? Yeah, I'm also too good. Okay, fine. What we have discussed in the last session is what we have discussed in the last session. Seeker, Campish, okay, some Kali Linux. Those are called social engineering things. And Jirog authentication token, Seeker tool. Yes, yes. So these concepts are comes under the social engineering things. So today we will discuss session hijacking. So does anyone have any idea about session hijacking? Anyone? Yes. Okay. Let me explain that. Session hijacking is also known as cookie hijacking. It's a security attack where an unauthorized user gains access to a legitimate user's session by stealing or manipulating the session cookies. So for every website, we have some cookies will be there. So for storing, the browser will automatically store your cookies sometimes, or the website itself, it will store cookies for a certain period of time. So cookies are like a small piece of data stored on a user's device by a web browser while browsing a website. See session cookies. So we have some different kinds of things are there. Give me a second, I'll share my screen. Okay. So they are used to remember the information about the user, such as a login status, preferences, and other session related data. If you see the Amazon, Hotstar, or Netflix, whenever you have logged in for a certain time, like you have logged in today, okay, so you have not logged out that one, and again you come back tomorrow, and whenever you're trying to access the Amazon.com, you can directly get access into that Amazon.com without getting login page. This is called once you have provided the credentials, required credentials, the web application will store all your details in the cookies format. So we have some cookies, types of cookies are there, that is a session cookies. So session cookies, these are the temporary cookies that are deleted once the user closes the browser. So use case is they are used to maintain the user session, such as keeping a user logged in while they navigate to the different pages of a website. Like see some government portals, whenever you close the browser, if you open again that government portal, it will ask you for the login. So these are the session cookies. So the cookies will be present only whenever you are navigating with the other pages. Once you close the browser, done. So every cookie, every data will be deleted. These are the some temporary things. And the next one is a persistent. Persistent cookies. So these cookies remain on the user's device even if the browser is closed and are valid until they expire or they are manually deleted. So for every web application have some expiration for the things like cookies and all. So some web applications have 1 day cookie time, 7 days cookie times, 10 days, 1 month. Some websites they won't delete any cookies. So until you remove manually. So you can also remove your cookies in your web browser itself. I'll show you how to remove all these things. For this one, an example is a website will remember your username and password for automatic login for the next time. And the next one is secure cookies. So these cookies can only be transmitted over secure HTTPS connections. So it is used to enhance the security by ensuring that the cookies data is encrypted during transmission time. And some cookies are the HTTP only cookies. So these cookies are inaccessible to the client-side scripts, that is JavaScript, can only be used by the server. So it helps prevent the cross-site scripting attacks by restricting access to the cookies from a client-side attacks. So like this, we have a different cookies are there. So how can we see the cookies? Where we can see this? For every thing, like whatever you are requesting from your web browser, for every request you will get some cookies. You can use the burp suite to see all these things, and you can use your web application inspect elements also. Do we install the burp suite in your systems? Yes, can anyone please respond? Do we install that one? Are you guys having the burp suite in your systems or not? Okay, no issues. I'll tell you. Suppose just test. So this is the website which I'm targeting. So here what I'm doing. So here I'm using a one particular application, the particular extension called cookie editor. Okay, cookie editor. So one second, I'll show you in the elements also. Whenever you request something in a web page, there you can see. So right click on the web page and click on inspect. In the network, so in the network you can see that. So here we are having the cookies and everything for login.php, and so here you can see the cookies and all things. So this is the same thing will be captured by the burp suite also. Whatever you're sending a packet, it will be captured by the burp suite. So no issues. I'll explain the burp suite also. For everything we have some status code will be there, request method will be there, everything will be there. So it's some advanced contents. Don't rely on this one. So here just log in. Here I'm using the test and test. Got it? So here you can see whatever you have provided here, the credentials you have provided. Okay. So these Accunitex will have some expiration time. Okay. So until that you can see if you anyone capture these cookies. So here you can see the cookie editor. So here you can see we have one cookie is there. If you elaborate this one, so here you can see the name is a login and the value is test and test. So like this, every cookies will be stored. These are just a basic websites. That's why I'm having just only 1 to 2 cookies. But if it is Amazon Prime have this vulnerability like cookie stealing vulnerability. You can get anyone's session using the cookies. So here I'm logging into my Amazon. I hope I have the Amazon account. I'll try to. So earlier it's having the vulnerability. So now I'll see whether it is have or not. Triple 178. Okay, so here I am logged in. Okay, fine. All right. So here I have some cookies for this side because I have logged in here. Session ID will be there. Okay, session ID time will be there, some particular time. Session tokens will be there. Okay, these are the sessions tokens. It's only available for my browser only. Okay, so here what I'm doing, so here I'm simply exporting this cookies as a JSON. So these cookies has been copied to my clipboard. Then I'll use one notepad and I'll save all these cookies here. So every cookies has been stored here. So what I'm doing now, so I'll try to sign out from this page. Sign out this page, and again I got the email verification and all. Look, I'll again open amazon.com. Here you can see, hello, please sign. So if you want to check whether the cookie stealing vulnerability is there or not in a particular web application, actually it is not a vulnerability. For the client accessing purposes, the company providing 3 days of cookie expiring. It's a small low level of vulnerability, like we can hijack the sessions. So these type of vulnerabilities, bug bounty things they want to accept, we can do it for some uh, showing purposes like this. So here again it is asking for the sign in. If you see the cookies, we have some cookies is there. Okay, so now what you have to do is, so just delete all the cookies and here click on import and paste the cookies you have copied earlier. This is my cookies, and import it again. So here you can see everything and then try to refresh the page. If you are getting your session back and this Amazon web application having the vulnerability, so here you can see that it is successfully logged in to my account without any username and password. Are you guys getting my point? Here you can see delivered to Surya Bangalore, and here you can see my name and account number. I have not provided anything here. So I'll do again sign out. Amazon.com. So here I don't have any options. If I go back, if I clicking back here, I'm getting back to the Google, and here I simply use the cookies, delete all, import it, import again. That's it. Then refresh the page. Here we go. Is it clear? Like this, Amazon Prime also have this vulnerability. If you have any premium subscriber cookies with you, you can easily get their account without knowing to them. Are you guys getting my point? What I'm saying? Yes. Does anyone have any doubts? Okay. So if it is clear, okay, fine, clear, clear. See, what you want to do is just simply open a new tab and search here cookie editor extension for Chrome. So this is the cookie editor I was using. First I'll remove this one. Okay. So first you need to click on add to Chrome, then add extension. So extension has been added to the toolbar. Just click on this jigsaw puzzle icon and then pin this cookie editor into this toolbar. That's it. So then just need to go to the Vani website and click on this one. It will ask you the permission to get the cookies from the website. So just give the all sites and allow it. That's it. It will try to get all the cookies from the website. Then you can steal the cookies of your friends, if those having the premium accounts in the Netflix and Amazon. You can use those accounts to retrieve their sessions also. Got it? If anyone wants to try with me, can send me your cookies. Then I'll try to use this one here. No worries, I'll sign out. Is it clear, guys, how to install this and how to check all these things? So without any credentials, we can retrieve their session back because it's an expiry time of an Amazon thing. Yeah. So if it is clear, just try to perform on this Amazon website and let me know. Yeah, guys, is it completed? Or anyone facing any issues? Yes. Anyone have any doubts? Any issues you're facing? Let me know if you're facing any issues. Okay, guys. See where you'll get all these cookies. So we have a different resources are there. You can get these cookies from the Telegram channels, from the darknet. Even in the Google also have some blogging sites will be there. So there they will post every day some new premium cookies for each and every OTT platforms. So just visit any new tab, open a new tab and search for the Amazon Prime OTT Premium. So here you can see Prime Video Premium account cookies. Just open this one. So see that when it is updated latest. So it's like we have our ad blocker DNS enabled. Okay. I don't want to open all these things. It's a daily updated. If it is good, if it is daily updating, just from down below. So Prime website. Where is the cookies? Okay. Here is the cookies. So it is updated on August 31, 2023. Wow, very new one. Okay, just try to copy this one. Copy it and try to paste it in the session cookies, the Prime Video. Delete all first. Import it. Paste it. Again import. Input is not a valid format. So these cookies are not working. So like this, you have to visit some websites and you have to get all these things. Okay, there is a one website is there that is a prefix. So now they are not providing this type of services and all, but you can use all these things. So my task is like you have to find at least a one premium cookie, Amazon premium cookie, right now within a 5 minutes. So you can visit any website in the internet and you can find one premium cookie and then you have to use that one and let me know whether it is working or not. Okay, got it? Yes. Is it clear? Yes, please respond. Is it clear or not? Hello, am I audible? Yeah, do it now and let me know. Meanwhile, I also search for this one. Uh, okay, all right, leave this one. So take it as a assignment. Try to find some 2 to 5 web applications from the by the next session. You have to submit the 2 to 5 web application on this vulnerability. Okay, it should be some OTT platforms or some premium websites like this. Script, Grammarly, every web application have this vulnerability. Okay, just check it and let me know how many websites you got it. Okay, all right. So next we will discuss the burp suite. So burp suite is a web application security, a tool which is used for the web application penetration testing. So the burp suite includes different types of options like intruder, repeater. So you can capture the packet. See the Wireshark, what we have done, we can capture the packets. We can just see what is the contents inside the packet. We cannot edit that packet, but using the burp suite, you can edit the packet. What is the contents inside? Suppose there is a username and password you have provided test and test. In the Wireshark, you can just see that. But in the using burp suite, you can change the username and you can change the password. Whatever you wish, you can do with this one. So multiple times if you want, you can send it. If you want to perform brute force attack, you can use the burp suite for everything. For every real web secure, web-based vulnerabilities, we have to use burp suite. Burp suite is the only tool which decode the packet and it will show you in the plain text. You can edit the things and you can change, you can make changes. You can do whatever you wish. Okay, so I think I have provided you CH toolkit, right? Yes. How many of you have the CH toolkit with you? Okay, so if you don't have the CH toolkit, you can just simply go to the burp suite community edition. So here is the burp suite community edition. It will be I think maximum 300 MB. So just go straight to the downloads, and here you need to select burp suite community edition and Windows 64 or Linux, whatever you wish, you can select and then download it. That's it. It's a 300 MB, so you can download it. So we have two types of things are the burp suite. Professional is the burp suite community edition is the. So the main difference between these two things is the speed and some specific extensions and all things. So if you are performing a brute force attack using the burp community version, it will take for 10,000 combinations, it will take more than 1 hour. But in a burp suite professional, it will take around 2 to 3 minutes. There is a speed difference between will be there, and the burp suite professional will be the cost around per year. It's nearly 40,000 rupees. So like we have the professional, like we have to use this professional account for the web application penetration testing. Without this professional, we can't do all the things. All right, so everyone please download this one. I'm sharing the link in the chat box also. So everyone please download this one, and anyone please share your screen. Then I'll explain the installation procedure because I already have the Webster Professional. If I install this one, it will be damage my things and all. So after downloading this one, everyone please download the Firefox also. If you have already, then leave it. If you don't have the Firefox with you, please download the Firefox as well. So here select the this version, and I'm sharing the link with you guys. Just make it fast. So download or install the Mozilla Firefox and just download the portsfigure.net and don't do anything because we have to install manually and we have to set some proxy settings and we have to install some C8 certifications and all things. Don't do anything. Just download the Firefox and install and download the Bob Suite edition and let me know. So if you share anyone, if anyone share the screen, then I'll explain how to install it. Is it clear? Yes, is it clear? Anyone have any doubts or just ask me if you are anyone facing any issues, you can ask me, okay? Yes, guys, is it done? Hello. Is it completed, guys? Yeah. So can anyone please share your screen? I'm stopping my screen sharing here. Can anyone please share your screen? Hello. Yeah. Mm, Can on it. So everyone please install the Firefox. So Burp Suite Pro you have downloaded. No, no, no. I told you to download the Burp Suite community version, right? Burp Suite community version you need to download. One second. You have downloaded the wrong one. Burp Suite community you need to download. Select the community version. So everyone please download the community version. Don't download the professional version. Is it downloaded? Yeah, it's done. Okay, just go back to the downloads. Okay, so everyone please double tap on that one. Double tap it. If it is asking for any security concerns, yes or no, just click on yes. Okay, click on next, next, next. That's it. Automatically it will install all the necessary files and all. Click on finish. I hope it's created some shortcut somewhere. I can copy paste this one in. Okay, so in the search bar, search for the burp, BURP. Open that one. So we have this inbuilt tool available in the Kali Linux itself. But if you are doing penetration testing using the Windows-based machines, you have to use all these things. And uncheck that box, help improve burp submitting feedback. Click on I accept. Click on next. start burp, and that's it. So this is the installation of the burp suite, and we have to configure this burp suite with the Firefox. So Firefox is user friendly for this burp suite. So whatever you are requesting using the Firefox, everything will be captured by this burp suite. Okay, so now go to the Firefox. Go to the Firefox. And so on your right side, three lines will be there. Go to the settings there. Here, search for network. Open the settings. The first settings you have come. So here, select manual proxy configuration 127. In the HTTP proxy, just type the IP address, that is a localhost IP address, loopback IP address 127.0.0.1, and the port number is 8080. 8080. Yeah, and check that box. Also use this proxy for the HTTPS. Then click on OK and open a new tab. Don't close this one. Open a new tab and search for burp/burp/. Hit enter, and here we have to install a CS certification for the browser security purposes. We are telling the browser whatever we are inspecting, like so whatever we are capturing, this is a certified one. Don't need to worry anything. So you can send the intruder packets to this particular burp suite. So we are telling we are authorizing this burp suite. So just click on that CS certificate. Is the CS certificate you need to download, and go back to the settings again. So here search for the certificates, or click on view certificates. Click on import button. Go to the downloads, select the CS certificate, open it, and check those two boxes. Click on OK. Then click on OK again. Open a new tab and close the remaining tabs. Okay. So here, just go to the burp suite. Go to the proxy. Intercept is off, right? So click on that intercept is on. Then go back to the Firefox. Go back to the Firefox again. Search here for facebook.com or instagram.com something. Then hit enter. So you won't get that packet because we have stopped the capturing packet, because so first it will transfer to the burp suite, then it will reach the server. From the server also, first the server will send the packet to the burp suite, and the burp suite will send to the web browser. So here we are performing the man in the middle attack, that is the MIPM, man in the middle attack. So with this one we can edit, we can do whatever we wish. So go to the burp suite. So here you can see whatever we are requesting. We are using a get method here. This is a get packet. So everything will be available here. The host, what is a host? It is user agent, and the accept languages, referrer headers, cookies, everything will be available here. Just if you want to forward this packet to the server, you have to click forward button on the top of the side. Click on forward. If you don't want to this product, this packet reach the server, if you don't want this one, you can simply click on drop here. So it will drop in the internet, it won't reach the server. Okay, so you have to send each and every packet to the server if you want that particular website. Forward it. So here you can see that Q equals to INS you are getting. The first line, get complete search client Firefox channel fen Q equals to Instagram. So you are typing one by one later, right? So that's why we are getting here one by one letter. If you forward this one, then next you will get a one more letter. Forward the packet. forward, forward until you're stopping the getting packets. So you have to forward each and every packet. This is the host Instagram.com we are requesting. If you drop this one, you won't get the Instagram page in the web application. If you drop that one, you won't get it. Drop it, then turn off the intercept. You can see in the website. I mean, go to the browser. Here you're getting some error. Request was dropped by a user. So, like this, you can perform the web application security using the burp suite. Okay, if you want the product, you can turn off the intercept, then you will get directly. Or if you want to edit the packets, you can use the forward button, forward like this you can use. So with this burp suite, we have found a lot of vulnerabilities, like we can change the price of a product, or we can find some SQL injection vulnerabilities, access control vulnerabilities, a lot of things we can do with this burp suite. We have performed the OTP bypassing and the password bypassing, everything we have performed using this burp suite only. Is it clear for everyone? Yeah, everyone please install it and let me know, guys. Make it fast. If you are getting any doubts, if you are facing any issues, you can ask me right now. It's because we are running out of time. Is it completed? Installation? Yeah, guys, is it completed installation or anyone facing any issues? So after downloading the CS certificate, just go back to the settings. Sandeep, if you want, like, you can share your screen. I'll tell you. Can just go back to the settings, and there you can search for the certificates and click on view certificates. Click on import and then select your CS certificate. Check those boxes and then click on install. Got it, Sandeep? Does anyone have any doubts, guys? Installation of Burp Suite? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Satvika, Ish, Joshna, Nonit. Anyone have any doubts? Okay, so fine. All right, in the next session, we will discuss how to hack the databases using SQL injection and using some Kali Linux tools in websites. Okay, so a lot of web applications have this vulnerability. So we can hack the databases, we can see the details of login users and some data of like username, passwords, everything we can see that one. Okay, so if you have any doubts in this today's session, you can ask me, guys. Otherwise, we can wind up this session. Anyone have any doubts? No, sir. Thanks for today's session. Amazing session. Yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you for this joining the session. Hello, Mandira.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mandira. It's
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you guys for joining.
Thank you, guys. We'll see you in the next week.